Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to draw a yin yang mandala. So the concept behind yin yang is very vast. We'll be discussing about that as well. So to get it started, the first step is to find the center point of the paper. As I used to say, to find the center point of the paper, you need to divide the paper into equal halves on all the sides. So this sheet is almost 20 centimeters. So I'm marking at 10 centimeters on all the sides. So once after marking it, I'm going to join the marking and find the center point. So now I'm going to draw my first circle. So my first circle is 6 centimeter, like 6 centimeter in radius. I'm using my compass and measuring 6 centimeters. So you need to measure in even numbers, either 6, 8, 10, not odd numbers. So I'm drawing my first circle using the center point. So basically, yin yang is a construction of two elements. The element number one is feminine energy, and the element number two is male energy. We can call it that way, or the good and bad. So one is good and one is bad. So we need two circles to define them. As I said, the circle is 6 centimeter in radius. I'm going to divide that 6 centimeter into another half, and then I'm going to draw two more circles. So I'm actually marking at 3 centimeters on both the sides of the circle. So this 3 centimeter point will act as our center point, and I'll be drawing two more circles for 3 centimeters. So now I'm going to take my compass and measure 3 centimeter radius. So I'm going to draw two more circles using this 3 centimeter point as my center point, and I'll be drawing two circles which will be acting as my two elements of the yin yang, the good and bad, or the feminine or male, whatever the concept that you wanted to actually talk about. So now the next step is to draw two more circles inside this circle that I've created. So the concept of yin yang is good in bad and bad in good, or feminine in male and male in feminine. So the definition of the bigger two circles is the feminine and male, or the good and bad. So we are going to create two more circles inside. I have measured 1 centimeter radius in my compass, and I am drawing two more circles inside the circle using the 3 centimeter point as my center point again. So these two smaller circles will define the opposite of the bigger circles concept. Now we have created circles with three measurements: 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So these are the basic framework for yin yang. And now I'm going to use my Uniball Air black pen, and I'm going to draw the concept first. So both the circles that we have created, we are going to use only the half circle, and we'll be creating like a teardrop design out of it. Just see like how I'm drawing. So this is how I said it looks like a teardrop. So one part of the yin yang is completed. Uh, I have joined the half circle with the main bigger circle and formed this pattern. And inside that 1 centimeter circle, I'm just drawing it as such. I'm not doing anything else. And I'm erasing the extra pencil markings because it might be confusing. So I'll erase them, and I'm going to repeat the same pattern below for the second circle as well. So now I'm drawing the second part of the yin yang. Once this is done, we'll be creating a mandala around this yin yang. So this yin yang will act as a center portion, and then we'll be creating a mandala around it. I'll be actually defining the yin yang with darker and lighter, like black and white. I wanted to do a little design inside one part to define the darker part, and then I am going to leave the white part as such white. So I'll be using my Pro Circle and create a framework around this yin yang. So I'm using 10 centimeter radius. So I'll be creating a mandala framework. So to know how to create a mandala framework, do check out my channel. I have uploaded another video about how to create a mandala framework with different measurements. So yeah, I'll be drawing circles, and the framework is ready for me to actually draw a mandala around the yin yang. So now I am actually drawing a little pattern inside the yin yang to define the part, the good and bad and the bad and good. So I'm using tipples, the circles, to define this. So the concept is this: there is a good part in life and there is a bad part in life, or there is a good person and a bad person. The bad person will definitely have good in him, and the good person will definitely have a little bad in him. We can also put it in this way: there is a feminine energy in someone, and there is a male energy in someone, and the male energy will also have feminine energy in him, and the feminine energy will also definitely will have a male energy in them. So this is what the yin yang concept talks about. So I have finished the yin yang in center, so the darker part and the lighter part. Now I'm actually drawing a very simple mandala pattern around the yin yang. So this time I'm keeping it black and white. I'm not actually including any colors. So I used my shading technique to little shade and bring a little depth to the yin yang. So the framework that I created is helping me design my mandala. So I'm using all the lines and the circles that I created as my guiding lines, and I'm drawing my design. So you can add as many circles that you wanted in between based on the design, or you can even change the measurement from 10 degrees to 50 degree based on your design. So you can stop whenever you wanted to. So you can finish the entire paper with circles, or you can do 2 3 layers of design and stop it. It's up to you how you wanted to design it. So I am trying to actually give a little intricate design around it, because the yin yang is very simple, it doesn't have much pattern in the center. So I wanted to do little designing around them. This is how I actually draw my mandalas. So that's it, guys. We are done with our yin yang mandala. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do check out my channel and subscribe to it. Also check the other videos that I have. I have uploaded few other techniques of drawing mandalas. And let me know your comments and feedbacks. I'll be happy about it. And thank you. Stay safe and be happy.